If you're selling ebooks, focus on Google Ads. If you are selling planners, focus on Pinterest. If you are selling stickers, focus on Etsy. These are the things that people don't want you to know about. What they're doing is they're trying to mix you up in order to sell you a $2,000 course just to tell you what I just told you for free. These 3 items right here will make you $1,000 in a week or even in a day if you focus on one and then another and then the third one. Stickers, ebooks, planners. These 3 items right here are creating millionaires left and right, while you are left in the dust. You are left stuck without the knowledge that I just told you. So in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to be doing to master selling one or the other, or if you are a person that want to master one and then move to another, that's completely up to you. But I highly recommend that you master one at a time. And when I say master it, I mean make $50,000 to $100,000 and then maybe sell another one. So get ready for a very powerful video that's going to help you scale your income extremely fast. The first thing we're going to focus on in this video are ebooks. So what you need to do first is you need to either create an ebook, you can outsource it to somebody on Fiverr, or you can create it yourself, or you can use AI. There's 3 different ways that I just gave you on how to create an ebook. So you choose a niche topic, you come up with a name, you create the ebook. Regardless of how you do it, you want to use a tool like ChatGPT or DeepSeek AI to create a nice outline for the ebook. After you have that outline, that's when you go into the writing process. So once you write the ebook, the next thing you want to do is you want to create some very good graphics for it. That's where Canva comes into place. Don't overcomplicate this, because you're going to be able to sell this ebook at a low price but make high profits. You don't have to spend all week long creating this ebook. This could be something that, of course, you want to have knowledge on, or somebody you got to outsource to somebody that has the knowledge, or if you do AI, you just got to make sure everything is right so you're not just scamming people. So once you get this ebook created, and once you use a site like Canva to create ebook graphics for it, the next thing you want to do is you want to use something like Stan Store. Now, Stan Store is top of the line when it comes to selling your ebook, because they keep it very simple and it's easy to set up. And it's just, I've been online a long time and there's nothing right now that's easier or more simple than Stan Store. So you go ahead and set your ebook up for sale on Stan Store. You come up with a nice description for it, you know, a nice bold title. You do all of that. And once your ebook is ready to sell, you are ready to start pushing traffic to it. Now, I would say start collecting emails and all of that, but you don't want to do that immediately. What you want to do is you want to get some sales rolling in before you start focusing on email funnels and all of that. That's when Google Ads come into play. Google Ads are top of the line when it comes to how powerful they are. So before you run a Google ad, of course, what you want to do is you want to do some keyword research, just like I'm doing right here on the screen. If I'm selling an ebook that focuses on productivity, I want to type that C keyword into the Google keyword tool, and I want to find the low-hanging fruit type of keywords. That means the long tail keywords. So I don't want to bid on the keyword productivity in Google, because that'll cost me $30 a click and it'll erase your money faster you can blink your eyes. What you want to do is you want to see what keywords have anywhere from 100 to, let's say, 2,000 searches a month, but they're long tail keywords. They're real specific keywords. So after you find your keywords, you want to go ahead and compile those keywords. You want to save them via Google keyword tool, or you can save them on a Word document. And then you start setting up your ads. Now, when it comes to setting up ads, I personally use ChatGPT to come up with the ads. So I tell ChatGPT the title of my ebook, what the ebook is about, and I say come up with 5 Google ads. And this is what it came up with, as you can see right here on the screen. After that, I go ahead and I publish my Google ads. You want to make sure you have the keyword saved, and you want to make sure everything is set up. But I publish the Google ads and I wait for results. So whenever I send people from Google that's searching how to be more productive in 2025, something along like that, whenever I send them to my Stan Store, it's up to them. It's completely up to them if they want to purchase or not. But I can tell you this, if you followed everything that I just said, it won't be long before the sales start rolling in. So what you want to do is you want to test that yourself. You want to see how well this converts. If it don't convert well, you may know that there's some wording that you need to change around, or even aim for some different keywords. That's how you sell an ebook online, and that's how you sell it like crazy. The second thing we're going to talk about or planners. You can use Canva as well to check out some planner templates. Now, a lot of people, again, are not going to tell you that you can go right to Canva, you can check out templates that are already created, and you can add your branding to it, add your website to it. So when people purchase it, your website is on the bottom of it. And if they have it at work, or if they print it out and have it at school, or whatever it may be, your website is on the bottom. So if somebody check it out, that's more traffic for you, that's more eyeballs for you, and that's more business for you, of course. So you can go to Canva, you can customize some templates that are already made for you. All you got to do is just add your touch to it. You'll go ahead and do the same thing. You'll download those templates, you'll upload it to Stan Store, put your price tag on it, and instead of Google, you head to Pinterest. For Pinterest, I highly recommend that you go to Fiverr, basically have a professional create 5 to 10 really good looking graphics for your planners, and you run Pinterest ads at $5 a day. Now, at first, Pinterest is not going to send you the traffic that you want, because it's all about Pinterest finding out who your buyers are. But eventually, let's say 3 to 5 days, you may see a sale come in. And let's say you're spending $5 a day on ads and your planner is $9.99. If you get 2 sales, that's going to make back, 3 days of ad spend right there, and then you have some profit. So Pinterest is the perfect place to sell planners. Last but not least, let's check out some stickers. Once again, you can go to Canva and create these stickers. You can customize them. You can create custom stickers of your own. You can do, any of that. So when it comes to stickers, these are very, very profitable because different types of people love them. People that want to put them on their laptop love them. People that want to put them on their notebooks love them. People that want to put them on their iPad, their tablet, whatever it may be. People love stickers. So if you are creating stickers on Canva, having these stickers printed in bulk and uploading them to Etsy, understand that you can make an unbelievable amount of money like this. And I'll tell you how some people are making $50,000, $60,000 a month. They are doing custom stickers. So what these custom stickers look like is somebody will send a picture of their dog. You will put their dog's name right there on Canva. You will convert it into a cartoon using like AI. You will convert their dog into a cartoon character, put the dog's name, have that sticker printed out, and people will purchase the sticker that way. People will pay top dollar for a single sticker like this. I've seen people sell a sticker for $35, $40, one sticker, or one sheet of stickers, I'd say. I've seen people sell this because people love their animals. So selling stickers on Etsy and doing things the custom way is a very powerful thing. What I wanted to do is I wanted to create this video to let you know that if you want to make $10,000 or even $50,000 in a single month, you don't have to sell a $1,000 course to make that happen. You just have to sell what people want. And I just gave you the 3 best items that was selling in 2023, 2024. And I guarantee you these are going to be the 3 best sellers in 2025 as well. So if you are somebody that really want to crush it online and change your life in a matter of months, and I challenge you to focus on one of these 3 items. And when you do, and whenever you do generate results, come back to this video, comment below, and let me know how one of these items changed your life. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and do so right now, because I'm going to be putting out some very, very powerful videos just like the one that you just watched. And I'm also going to be creating basically masterclass type content on this channel. I'm also coming out with a new website that focuses on you selling low ticket digital products. And it's going to be like systems in place and all of that. So I have a lot coming. So if you haven't subscribed, again, go ahead and do so right now. Comment below and let me know what you thought about this video. And I will catch you very soon in my next video.